going to be showing you what it looks like for an approver to go into Dynamics GP and use Mekorma to review and approve payments. So from the Mekorma main page, you can go to Mekorma Approvals, and here you'll see a full list of all of the vendors that need to be paid within the different batches that were created for the company Complete Solutions. So you can drill into any one of these. I'm going to select one of the payments in batch 003, and I'm going to go to payment vouchers and double click to open up a window that actually would show me everything in this particular batch. So all the vendors being paid in this particular batch and all the vouchers for that particular vendor. So if I'm clicking on Allenson here, these are the specific vouchers that make up this over $8,000 payment. Now I can drill into the voucher and I can review everything on the transaction entry zoom window. If there is an attachment that has been put there using doc attach, either manually or using our invoice capture, they can drill in and see those actual images right here in GP. They could also look at distribution as well. So going back here, if there was a particular voucher that you did not want to have paid, you can actually remove that from this vendor's payment by unclicking this box right here and giving a reason for removal. So maybe in this case, for this particular voucher, you want that to be held and paid next week. So you could leave a message like that, hold for next week. And now we'll go back to the specific person that created the payment batch so they know what to do with that voucher and hold it for payments in the next week. Now you can see that the amount being paid to this particular vendor has dropped, as well as the total amount of the batch. So that's how you would specifically reject a voucher, and that is a feature specific to approving and reviewing inside of Dynamics GP. You can also reject the full payment amount for a vendor. So in the case of this vendor, Associated Insurance, I don't want to pay any of these vouchers. I don't want to make this payment for this vendor. So I can uncheck this box and give a reason. It's holding over the reason I had just put in. I could give a totally different reason. Call for more information. Stop payment. There we go. And click OK. And now that whole vendor has been removed from the batch and the amount being paid in this batch has been reduced. So now we can go back out to the main window and I could click this button to mark all, or I could individually click what I want to approve. You can reject at the batch level if there's a whole batch that you don't want to have paid. We do have sorting options up here, so you could sort by batch and then just click the batch as a whole to approve or reject. I'm going to go ahead and just mark all and hit approve. All right, so that is how you would review and approve within Dynamics GP. This is at the company level, so I'm in Complete Solutions. If there were batches that needed to be reviewed and approved in other company databases, you would have to log in and out. That is one of the reasons why we built our PowerApprovals app, that it gives you the ability to review and approve outside of GP. And it does cross-company. So again, if you had batches in multiple company databases, you would see them all at one place. I hope this video was helpful. Please let us know if there's anything else we can do to answer more questions.